Hi folks, Aaron with the Kunkel Homestead here. Just want to do a very quick video review on some compressed alfalfa that we recently purchased from Tractor Supply. We don't like it at all. On the shelf it is completely wrapped in white plastic, so you can't really tell the quality of the alfalfa until you open it up. We usually buy our alfalfa from Rural King, but they've been out for a little while and we were running out as well, so we had to find some from somewhere and we purchased this. But as you can see, this brick is way too solid. There's hardly any alfalfa and it's mostly become dust. We can't use this. I can only think of one good thing to use this for.